Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's Learn with Lizzie. Let me begin with a question today. Have you ever felt underestimated? Ever felt someone judged you just because of your appearance, your marks, or the way you speak? Today's story, Boli, is about exactly that. A girl who was considered weak, unintelligent, and unattractive. Yet she proves that education and self confidence can completely transform a person. This chapter is extremely important for exams because it highlights education, women empowerment, social prejudice, and self respect. Let's explore this inspiring journey together now. Before we move into the story, let's understand the author. K.A. Abbas was a famous Indian writer and journalist known for writing about social realities. His stories often highlight injustice, inequality, and the importance of human dignity. And Boli is one such powerful social commentary. So, what is the central idea of the story? Simply put, education transforms personality, encouragement builds confidence, self respect is more important than societal approval. Initially, Boli is timid, neglected, and insecure, but education changes her into a confident, independent individual. That transformation is the heart of the story. Now let's meet our protagonist. Boli's real name is Sulekha. Interestingly, the name Sulekha means one with beautiful writing, but ironically, she is called Bholi, which means simpleton. Why? Because she suffered a brain injury in childhood and got affected by smallpox, which left scars on her face. She stammered while speaking. Because of these issues, society labeled her as unintelligent. This refers how quickly society judges individuals based on appearances or disability. Now observe her family's attitude towards Boli. Boli belonged to a very prosperous farmer's family. Brothers were educated, sisters were married easily, but Boli was neglected. Why? Because she was not conventionally beautiful. This clearly highlights gender discrimination, obsession with physical beauty, social pressure regarding message. This is an important exam point of view that you need to remember. Now, here comes an interesting twist in the story. Boli was sent to the school finally. She was not sent to school because her parents valued education. Instead, the government encouraged the girls' education as being a very important person in the village. The father, Ramlal, was forced to send her to school, and the parents also thought she would never get married anyhow. So, instead of being idle at home, she could have go to school and learn something new. They felt school might keep her occupied. Ironically, what began as neglect became her greatest opportunity. This shows education can change destiny even when intentions are weak. So now moving on to the first day at school for Bholi. How was the first day for Bholi? Bholi's first day is emotionally significant. Why? Because she was very scared. She even thought she was being taken away just like their cow Lakshmi, who had been sold earlier. That comparison reveals her insecurity, emotional negligence at home, but when she received clean clothes and care, she felt hopeful. This marks the beginning of her transformation. In school, something magical happens. For the first time, no one laughs immediately. She sees colorful pictures. She observes other girls learning. And then comes the turning point. Her teacher speaks very kindly. This kindness is crucial. Students always remember a good teacher can change a life. Boli's teacher encouraged her patiently, never mocked her stammer, built her confidence gradually. Instead of correcting harshly, she motivated gently. That emotional support helped Boli overcome fear. This is a frequently asked exam question. How did the teacher change Boli's life? So you can mention these points. Literally, the teacher became catalyst of Boli's transformation. And the positive reinforcement of the teacher built confidence in Boli. So let's now focus on the transformation, how Boli gradually transformed. Slowly, education works like magic. Boli learns to talk, learns to read, gains confidence, starts speaking clearly, develops self respect. Her personality blossoms. Education here symbolizes hope, independence, and dignity. Years later, marriage becomes an issue. A wealthy grocer, Bishambar Nath, proposes for marriage. But notice here, Bishambar Nath is a middle aged person. He has limbs, he already has children. Yet the parents of Bholi agree very quickly. Why? Because social pressure says a girl must marry. This shows traditional societal mindset. Now comes the most dramatic moment in the story. During the wedding, the groom sees police scars on her face. This exposes greed of dowry system, social obsession with honor, and lack of concerns for girls' dignity. This scene is extremely important in the story, and suddenly Polly surprises everyone. She throws the garland into the fire and speaks very clearly and confidently, with no stammer and no fear. This symbolizes complete transformation and assertion of self respect. Students, this is the climax of the story where the act of throwing the garland symbolizes the rejection of social injustice. So she refuses the marriage, saying she will not marry a greedy man and who is a cowardly man. This shows education gave her the voice, confidence replaced fear. She chose his dignity over social approval. This is the strongest message of the story. And at the end of the story, she decides to educate others, promises to take care of her parents, and teacher feels very proud of her. The teacher compares her growth to an artist admiring a masterpiece. Such a beautiful metaphor is used at this part of the story. Now let's focus on the character analysis of the story, which are very important in the exam point of view. First comes Boli. In the beginning of the story, Boli is timid, neglected, and insecure. She has stammering issues while talking and she lacks confidence. But in the end of the story, she transforms into a confident, assertive, self respecting woman. She is educated and socially aware. This represents empowerment through education. And then comes the teacher who acts as the catalyst of Boli's transformation. She is kind and supportive. She encourages Boli without any judgment, and she is the symbol of positive education. She shows how teachers can shape lives of her students. The father Ramlal is a loving but socially conditioned person. He is concerned about his reputation more than anything in the world. He represents traditional mindset. And social pressure often overrides parental affection in the story. Then comes Bishambar Nath, who is a greedy opportunist. Bishambar Nath is the symbol of dowry system and the evil characters. He represents moral corruption. This contrasts sharply with Boli's dignity. And now let's move on to the major themes focused in the story. First comes the education has empowerment. The education is the one that transforms the personality of Boli and gives her the confidence to speak in front of everybody for her dignity. And next comes women empowerment. Girls must assert rights, they must fight for their rights. And moving on to the social prejudice, appearance and disability discrimination must be stopped then and there itself. Nobody should be prejudiced or judged because of their disabilities. And finally, self respect versus social pressure. Dignity should prevail always. And now let's move on to the language of the story. The story is written in a very realistic narration, and the author uses symbolism like the school represents hope, the garland represents social acceptance. On the other hand, the act of throwing garland represents the rebellion. And then comes the contrast of ignorance versus education, where the parents ignore the education, whereas that education transforms the life of Puli, and from fear versus confidence. And finally, we are having the irony in the name Poli. These add depth to the story. The story strongly advocates girl child education, ending dowry system, respect for differently abled individual, and equality and dignity for women, very relevant even today. And finally, coming to the title significance of the story, Boli means simpleton, which is an irony. She is initially simple and timid, but eventually becomes intelligent and assertive. The title reflects the transformational journey of Boli in the story. And you need to remember some exam points, that is, education transforms personality, teachers' encouragement is very essential in a life of a student. Dowry system is criticized in the story, gender discrimination is highlighted, and self-respect is supreme to anything. In conclusion, education is the strongest tool for empowerment. Confidence and self-respect are more important than social approval. A supportive teacher can change a life. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you felt like this video was helpful, kindly please hit the like, share and subscribe button, and see you in the next upcoming video.